What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play emulators with a PS4 controller or even an Xbox One controller on iOS 12. This is so awesome. So we do have the PS4 controller here. Like I said, this does work with the Xbox One controller as well. If you guys haven't seen my videos on how to basically get them working on iOS 12, I'll leave the links for those videos down in the description, so be sure to check them out. But we are using an application from Cydia called N-Control, and that's what allows us to connect those controllers to our device. And like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to use those controllers with emulators in this video. Now, the emulator that we're going to be using is Provenance, and you can go ahead and download it from TWEAKBOX. Go ahead and launch TWEAKBOX. I'll leave the TWEAKBOX link in the description as well. For those of you that do want to download this, go into the apps section, go into TWEAKBOX apps, and there's scroll down here until you find Provenance. And if I remember correctly, it is a little ways down, so just keep on scrolling, and there it is right there. Provenance version 1.4, so just go ahead and install it from this screen. I've already done it. Do keep in mind, once it's done installing, you will have to go into Settings, go to General, go to Profiles and Device Management here, and then you will have to trust the application before you open it. And once you've done that, you can launch it. And as you guys will see, I do have a game in here. I do have Pokemon Red. Now, unfortunately, there are ads with this. It's all free, so to be expected. But as you can see, I do have a game added to the library. The way you're going to do that is go ahead and I like to use ROM's Mania. I'll leave the link for this in the description as well. And just for example here, we'll download another game. How about we do... we'll do The Legend of Zelda. So from here, just find what game you want, click on download. Now, I did notice ROM's Mania is running a little slow today, so you will have to give it a little bit of time to download. So I will be back once it's done downloading. Alright, it looks like it's finally almost done. It's been like 3 or 4 minutes, so this does take a while right now. So there it is, finally done downloading. Usually ROM's Mania runs much quicker than this, so I'm not sure if it's something with their server or something like that, but if you guys are going to download games from ROM Mania, just give it some time right now. Like I said, it took probably 3-4 minutes for this to download, so give it some time. It will eventually download, and then as you can see, you should have an option here. Mine was different the first time. It didn't have the open in Provenance option, so what I did is I clicked on more, and then I just clicked on the application from here, copy to Provenance. So if you don't have the open in Provenance option, click on more and then click on the application. It will jump you there and it will extract it, and there you go. That's how you basically install a game. It's really simple. We'll go ahead and close out of this advertisement here. And I do have a save state in Zelda, so I'm just going to go ahead and launch it to show you guys that it does work with the controller. So as you can see, very, very cool. So you can play retro games on iOS 12 with a PS4 or an Xbox controller. This is so cool. And I guess okay. But yeah, all the buttons work just like they should. So you have your menus there, you can save it, you can exit. I believe the exit button, you just click the middle button here, and then you can return to your game library. So that's pretty much how you guys are going to use Provenance. There is a load of settings for this application itself, but I don't want to go through and explain everything. I'm sure you guys could probably figure out what these are. It's kind of common sense stuff. You have import and export, so you can upload and download ROMs from here. So that's really handy to have as well. Another little tip is to have the reprovision application from Cydia as well, which will allow you to re-sign applications before they get revoked. Because if it gets revoked, basically you have to delete it off of your device and then re-download it from TWEAKBOX, which would you lose your ROMs and save states and all that. So like I said, with reprovision, you can prevent that from happening, which is really handy as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you're gonna download Provenance. That's how you're gonna run it. You can use a PS4 controller and Xbox One controller. I covered those in previous videos. Again, like I said, if you need to see how to do that, the link for those is in the description. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.